Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide the column shelf for a data visualization that we create in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the US educational finances dataset at a state level. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the dataset has loaded, I'm going to go to my worksheet here called Sheet 1. And then I'm going to drag the attribute state here to columns. I'm going to drag instruction expenditure here to rows. So now we can see a graph where along the x-axis, it is a category, which is each state, and the y-axis is the total instruction expenditure in the US. Now, if we wanted to hide this column shelf and not show it in our current view, we can go to the top panel and the second last option here called Show or Hide Cards. Click on the drop down and we'll unselect the option Columns Shelf. This will then hide the columns shelf in our current view. So now we just have the graph and all the other cards that's currently on this page. So there you have it. This is how you can hide a columns shelf in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.